It's gardening time. But bending over can be painful on your back. If you have a small space, BioGreen Freising is the perfect raised garden bed for you. Made from galvanized power-coated steel, it's strong, robust, and stable. Measuring 31.5 inches tall by 24 inches wide and 12 inches deep, it will fit on your deck, porch, patio, or anywhere space is at a premium. Beautify your space instantly. The optimal height of the flower box protects your back and brings your plants closer to the sun. And installation is fast and easy. It even has drainage for excess water to ensure you don't overwater. In fact, you can even use it indoors. Beautiful and elegant, it is sure to be a conversation piece. So go ahead and plant flowers, herbs, or even vegetables. Gardening will become child's play with a Freising metal raised bed by BioGreen. Get yours today.